Hi, this is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker. And in this video, meron tayong house tour na modern contemporary house in Sun Valley Estates in Antipolo City. But before we start our video, please consider giving this video a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get notified for more real estate videos. So wag natin patagalin pa and let's start our house tour. So this is our property. And as you can see, it's a modern contemporary house and we have lots of glasses and corners for this house. And what's nice about this property, aside sa location niya in Sun Valley Estates, is you have a waterfalls nearby, so you can hear the sound of it para ma-relax kayo if you want to go outside and just contemplate and relax outside of your home. Okay, so tingnan natin ang ating property. So we have our pedestrian gate right here in the middle. And we have our car parking gate or car garage gate here at the right side. So pagpasok sa ating pedestrian gate, we have a pocket garden. And we have things for your kids. So pwede tayo maglagay ng playground right here. As you can see right here. Meron tayong water feature coming from the infinity pool na makikita natin later in the video. But before we go upstairs and see the property itself, meron tayong maid's room, and 4 to 6 car parking right here sa right side. So aside sa ating maid's room, we also have the driver's quarters and the bathroom intended for the maids and the driver's quarters. So we can also have your service area right here na mayroong kang washing machine and the mga racks for your clothes and laundry. So malaki naman yung space for ating maid's room and driver's quarters. So meron tayong door dito. So this one leads to the parang backyard of the property na makikita natin din later in the video. Pero tingnan muna natin yung ating main entrance. So another view of our car parking, and you can also notice yung ating very serene ambience of the property. Meron tayong mga subtle designs on the left. At the left side, may mga pocket gardens pa tayo dito. Pero if you want to live in a very quiet and serene place, very peaceful place, this is a nice option to consider. So ito yung ating stair steps. So meron tayong mga light for the steps na pwede natin siya buksan sa gabi para hindi tayo mahulog sa ating swimming pool right there. Upon landing sa ating staircase right here, we have an access here in the middle, and then we have our infinity pool right here. So maganda dito sa ating infinity pool, while you're taking a swim, you have the great ambience of the trees and the greeneries, the birds chirping, the sound of the waterfalls, kaya mapaparelax ka talaga sa property na to. And we also have a space right here, so pwede tayo maglagay ng mga benches, mga chairs right here, and maybe you can drink with your friends at this area. And meron na rin tayong area dito, another area for tables and chairs. So meron na rin tayong access dito. So another area for tables and chairs. So pwede rin kayo magpa-house party dito. And tong area na to sa ating lanay area, may access na rin tayo directly going to the dining area. So another view of our infinity pool. So ang ating main entrance actually is here sa gitna. And this is our living area. And you can also imagine we have lots of couches right here. Pag umupo ka dito, you can enjoy the place, the view of the infinity pool and the Sun Valley Estates. So beside our living area, we have the dining area right here. So we can accommodate, ngayon nakalagay dito is mga 6 chairs, pero pwede nyo pa expand kung mas marami kayo sa family kasi spacious naman yung ating living or dining area. So we have this wonderful and beautiful lighting fixture on top of our dining area. And again, we have lots of glass right here. So this is actually a sliding door. If you want access galing sa dining area. And while you're eating, diba, you can enjoy, again, the ambience, the swimming pool, the infinity pool, the trees, and the environment of Sun Valley Estates. So meron na rin tayong mga fish tank right here, aquarium, and cabinets underneath it to put our glass and plates. And then in front of our dining area, we have our kitchen. So it's an L-shaped kitchen with kitchen island. Tapos meron na tayo ditong cooktop and exhaust in the middle. So marami na tayong counter spaces. Gawa sa granite yung ating countertops. And we have floating shelves para lagyan ng ating mga gamit like baso or something na pwede natin magamit our kitchen. So maganda dito is na maximize natin yung wall na to kasi pwede tayong maglagay ng mga gamit. And we also have our sink right here, our deep sink, deep aluminum sink. And we also have another floating shelf right here. And we also have a cabinet right here na floor to ceiling na pwede na rin natin gawing pantry area. So another view of our living area and the dining area. So dito we have our kitchen, another kitchen besides dun sa nakita nating kitchen. As you can see, meron tayong 2-door ref para ma-visualize natin yung ating kitchen. So we have awning windows right here para lumabas yung amoy while we're cooking. And we have lots of counter spaces, real estate space for your kitchen needs. So halos buong kwarto na occupy na ng counter spaces. And we also have the under counter cabinets and yung ating mga overhead cabinets for your things. So we have a door right here sa likod ko. Ito yung access sa ating backyard. Tulad dito, cages for your dogs. So sorry, medyo mainay. So meron silang pet dogs. Pero we also have access right here papunta dun sa nakita nating lanay area na katabi ng ating dining area. So balik na lang tayo sa ating kitchen because of the dogs. Sorry about that. So tingnan naman natin yung meron tayong rooms dito sa ground floor. Meron tayong room dito sa left side. So this one, ginamit nila bilang parang entertainment room, children's playroom. So may mga furniture included na rin in the sale. Ilalagay natin sa description yung mga full details about the house. So if you have questions, you can also check the video description for more details. So this one is the office of the house. So kung nag-work from home kayo, we have an office room right here. Then we have lots of drawers and cabinets for your things. So right now may mga children toys, pero of course if you're going to have an office, mga office needs yung pwede nating ilagay dito. So meron na rin tayong table included right here and yung ating lighting fixture na very elegant. So you have an office for your home. Kung kailangan natin mag-work, extra work from home, pwede natin gawin yun dito. Then here on the far end, we have an extra space na pwede natin gawing gym area. So you can do your fitness activities right here. Pero at the same time, enjoy natin yung view of the trees and the swimming pool dito. And you can also notice yung ating double height for the living area. So we have nice air circulation dito sa ating property. So bukod sa maraming trees dito sa Sun Valley, maganda yung pagka-design of the air circulation dito sa bahay because of this living area. And you can also see yung ating ceilings na gawa sa kahoy, which is very nice. And yung ating lighting fixture na very elegant. So makita natin, meron yung ating staircase. We have tempered glass for the railings and napakaganda ng kanyang design. So this one, meron tayong door. Ito yung papunta kanina dun sa dogs na nakita natin sa likod. Meron na rin tayong bathroom right here. Ano na siya, covered na yung ating shower area. May complete ka na with water heater, telephone shower, tapos may sink and bidet. So complete water fixtures na siya, even the bidet. So tingnan naman natin yung ating second floor to see the bedrooms. So far, how are you liking this video? Comment down your thoughts on this house. Ano yung mga gustuhan nyo about this house? And if you're dreaming to buy this house, comment down na mabibili mo to someday. Naniniwala ako sa inyo. So ito yung ating landing area. Pagdating natin sa second floor, we have this gorgeous view of the trees again and the very relaxing sceneries from the Sun Valley Estates. So dito meron tayong mga extra cabinets and drawers if you want to put maybe books or other things. Yan. Na very subtle lang yung design. Hindi siya masyadong obvious na drawer siya or cabinet. Kaya maganda siya. So dito sa left side, we have 2 rooms. This is our first room. It's a spacious room. And kitang-kita naman dito, even though it's I think this is queen-sized bed, malaki pa yung spaces na pwede nating magamit for this room. So makita natin meron tayo floor-to-ceiling cabinet na ron sa dulo. And we have pin lights. And we also have a small balcony for you to use kung gusto nyo lang magpahangin for a while. And then meron na rin tayong split-type aircon included, plus awning windows for natural light and fixed windows. Meron na rin siyang sariling bathroom with complete water fixtures. Again, meron na rin siyang water heater. Meron na rin siyang tempered glass for the partition, yung ating water closet, sink, and bidet. So this is not actually a brand new house. It's a pre-owned house na tinirhan for 2 years. So 2 years na yung bahay. Pero almost brand new na rin siya kasi hindi masyadong nagamit. So ito yung door na nakita natin na balcony na sa previous bedroom na nakita natin. A very high ceiling bedroom. Aside from it, it's also spacious. And we have the view of the trees habang nakahiga ka dito. Plus, dahil marami tayong fixed windows and sliding doors, maganda yung natural light na pumapasok dito. So even though nakapatay yung ating ilaw, napakaliwanag pa rin ng ating kwarto. So makita natin dito, it's a queen size bed, pero marami din tayong space na pwedeng ilagay. So we have side tables at the sides of the bed. Tapos pwede pa tayo maglagay ng television right here sa tapat niya if you want to. So tingnan natin another view of this room. So kung mapapansin natin yung pintuan and the space above it, kasi high ceiling siya. So ang isa pa sa mga benefit ng high ceiling is the air circulation. So kung mas maraming space for the room, mas maganda yung ikot ng ating hangin. Especially kung nakabukas yung ating mga pintuan. So as you can see, meron na siyang balcony na pwede nyo magamit. So may mga couches na dito. If you want to, pahangin sa labas, kung nyo lang uminom sa labas, pwede nyo gawin dito with this room. We also have the floor-to-ceiling cabinets for this room sa ating mga clothes and stuff. So, silipin natin. Okay, so, hello Santa Claus. Merry Christmas. Pero, syempre, pwede natin hang natin yung mga clothes dyan and other things sa taas. Meron na rin siyang bathroom. High ceiling na rin yung bathroom niya. Amazing. We have the glass partition for your shower area, water heater, and complete water fixtures. And tiled na din floor to ceiling. Well, hindi hanggang ceiling, high ceiling. Pero mataas yung tiles ng ating bathroom for this room. So, tignan naman natin yung ating master bedroom. Makita rin natin yung accent wall right here na gawa sa kahoy. And the awning windows for air circulation for this house, especially for this floor. So this is our master bedroom. Upon entering sa ating master bedroom, we have a space for your things. Meron tayong mirror and mga parang shelves dito. So pwede ka maglagay ng mga plants or something. And then you also have cabinets na may pagka-modern Filipino design niya. So this is our room. Our master bedroom. Again, it's a high ceiling bedroom with lots of windows, lots of fixed windows. Meron na tayong awning window at the right side, again for air circulation and natural light. And we can also see the living area when you're looking from the master bedroom. Obviously, kasya dito, king size bed or queen size bed. Plus, we have a balcony for your room na tulad lang nun sa nakita nating room. So if you just want to unwind and hear the sound of the waterfalls and the birds chirping, napakaganda ng ambience nito. You can also see the view para sa ating playground and the infinity pool na nakita natin. So another view of our master bedroom. Yan, high ceiling talaga siya. And of course, meron na siyang sariling bathroom. So for our master bathroom, ang kanyang pintuan ay tempered glass. And it's a spacious bathroom. We have dual vanity for his and for hers. Tapos meron ka na rin lots of cabinets and drawers for your things. May mga gamit lang na nakalagay ngayon, pero ano siya, pwede ka mag-hang ng clothes and put things sa taas. Para nakita natin kanina dun sa other bedroom. You also have a bathtub na meron ka ng view from the window. Kung gusto nyo magtumingin-tingin lang sa puno habang nag-enjoy ng bathtub. Tapos meron ka na rin, of course, shower area and your water closet right here. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving this video a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get notified for more real estate videos. That's it for this video. My name is Marty Hernandez, and we hope to see you in our next real estate video. Keep safe.